This is a Seagull 4B1 TLR camera, made way back in 1968 in one of the oldest camera companies in Shanghai. TLR stands for Twin Lens Reflex. As you can see, there's two lenses at the front of the camera. The bottom one is for taking the shot, and the higher but slightly smaller lens is for viewing the image. It is a fully manual camera, meaning there's no batteries, no internal light meter, and no autofocus. This is where you change the shutter speed, this is where you change the aperture, and this is the focus wheel. This camera is awesome.